Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore aka Robert with a unboxing, trying the holiday Topps. I don't do a lot of baseball. I've been seeing everybody pulling the short prints and I thought they were kind of cool, so I figured let's try one. See if I can't. I would like to try to get the Lindor short print, holiday short print I guess it's called, or one of these hat cards that they're showing on the side. Get anybody of those, that'd be cool, because those are pretty cool. I know it's like 1 in a million, I think, for the hats. 1 in 4,782. I know I never pull one, but you never know. Might be that one lucky shot. I just want a good short print if I get one, which I don't see why I shouldn't. But let's go ahead and see what I get. Like I said, I've seen people breaking this, and I don't do a lot of baseball. I don't even know really who's good anymore. I guess that should have how this next are. Let's see, who do we got here? Yasmani Grandal, Matt Chapman, DJ LeMahieu, Blake Snell. I'm probably butchering these. Luis Arias, rookie. A sparkly Franmil Reyes. That must be the metallic, but it's Indian, so that's cool. Lane Thomas, rookie. Trevor Story, Eduardo Escobar, Jose Altuve, and David Price. So I didn't see no short print there yet, if there is one. But I did get the metallic thingy. I don't know what's the odds of those either. Who do we got here? Tyler O'Neill. Oh, this one has the relic, I think, so I'm going to hold it off and go for the next pack. Unless that's just a different insert, I don't know. This is Giancarlo Stanton, Max Kepler, J.D. Hammer, Patrick Corbin. Hope you guys can see these. Alex Verdugo. Up another one of the metallics of Zach Wheeler, Kyle Schwarber, Aroldis Chapman, Brian Reynolds, and George Springer. This pack kept getting in the way. Next, David Peralta, JT Realmuto, I guess, Luis Castillo, Tommy La Stella, Alex Bregman, Trevor Story must be my short print, I'm guessing. Michael Chavis, rookie. Or is it Chavis? Paul Goldschmidt. Nick Senzel. Fernando Tatis Jr., rookie. I hear he's good, so I don't know, but I don't know, this one was backwards. I don't know. It doesn't look like... Oh! This is the short print. He's got the Christmas lights around the baseball bat. And you can barely tell, so that kind of sucks for being the short print. Oh, there's another one in here. Cole Tucker, rookie. J.D. Martinez. Keston Hiura. Jacob deGrom. There's another one of those German Marquez. What is it, metallic? Evan Longoria. Zach Greinke. Josh Hader. Trent Thornton. And Christian Yelich. At least one more, just so I can get a decent one. Who is this? Mike Yastrzemski, rookie. Justin Verlander. Harold Ramirez, rookie. Mitch Haniger. Hunter Dozier. Elvis Andreas. Adam Jones. Ooh, these are starting to fall over. Let me get these real quick. CJ Ceron, I guess, Cron, Gleyber Torres, Josh Naylor, Yasiel Puig, on an Indians even, cool, Chris Davis, John Lantier, I don't know, Aaron Judge. Kevin Pillar, Metallic, I think is what they are. I keep calling them Metallics, I don't even know. Chris Bryant. Franmil Reyes again. German Marquez, Kevin Pillar. Adam Ottavino. I'm probably butchering these names really bad, like. Who's this? Saharo Estrada, rookie. Freddie Freeman. Nicky Lopez, rookie. Lorenzo Cain. Trevor Clark. Jeff McNeil. Victor Robles. There's a Francisco Lindor. I was hoping for that one to be the short print. Yusei Kikuchi. I don't know who that is. Rookie. Robinson Cano. Lucas Giolito. Y'all can write down below and tell me how I butchered all these names. Yohan Mankata. Scott Kingery. Austin Meadows. Noah Syndergaard. Corbin Martin, rookie. Another, those metallic things. Matthew Beatty. George Polanco. Or is that Jorge? Jorge Polanco, David Dahl. Rafael Devers. Carlos Correa. One last pack and then we'll see what the hit is. Just hoping, come on. Please show me another one. CC. Griffin Channing. Anthony Rizzo. Come on. Stay up there. Nate Lowe, rookie. Kirby Yates. Miguel Cabrera. Carter Kieboom. Andrew Benintendi. Michael Conforto and Ryan Helsley. Okay, so let's go with this and go all the way to that and see what we got here. Manny Machado. Dallas Keuchel. Francisco Meja, isn't that the Indians guy? Was Indians. Nolan Arenado. Justin Smoak. Shohei Ohtani. And it says Jake Arrieta. Phillies pitcher. Not numbered, but still kind of cool. So this is my short print with the lights on. I don't know if you can see it, but the lights on the bat. Short print. Trevor Story. And then the Jake Arrieta jersey card. So that's what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!